In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion template using only ChatGPT. No coding or complicated steps needed. This is perfect if you want to build a custom Notion setup in minutes. Let's get started. Go to chatgpt.com and make sure you are logged into your account. On the left side of your dashboard, click GPTs to browse custom GPTs made for specific tasks. In the search bar, type Notion and choose the one named Notion Template Creator from the list. Now click Start Chat to open the chat window where you'll build your template. Create any template you want by typing in the chat box. For this video, I will type, "Create me a template about construction," and watch ChatGPT generate it for you. And that's how to create a Notion template with only ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!